Today I'm going to show you about a kit we make, a retrofit kit. It goes in a standard change maker. We make them for most of the models of standard change makers. This model's an MC100, nice and small and compact. And basically what we've done, we've kind of learned that it's always good to have a plan B for parts. Some of the standard parts were on back order at the time, and we needed to get some of these ready. So we kind of came up with a kit where we could put in industry standard American changer components that were easy to source, and as people are very familiar with them. In addition to that, really cool that we were actually able to install a recycler validator. So this kind of updated this older change machine, but I'm going to kind of show you how nice and compact it is. So as I open the door, you're kind of looking straight down. Here was the original power strip. This is not removed when you do your kit install, and we use this to plug in our little power supply. So now I'm going to open this front door. You can see how nice everything fits. So here we have, this is a stock American changer hopper. We have a little custom-made coin chute, and we also provide on the bottom here, we have a mounting plate. Basically, this mounting plate goes onto the existing studs, and then you put the new metal plate for this hopper. So literally in 5 minutes, you have a new hopper installed. Here, for instance, we have a recycler validator. So we sell these machines. You could buy it with a normal Mars validator or with the recycler. This stock machine, when it came from standard changemaker, had the MDB validator. So when you buy this kit, you could buy it, simply as a kit and reuse your validator, which saves money. If you want to add a recycler validator, or if you want to update to Mars, we kind of make it easy to get everything you need. Final step here on the door. I guess we have, it's going to, in the video, be upside down because of the orientation, but this is like a standard American changer board. These are very, very common. So if your operation has a lot of American changers, you would be very, very familiar with this board. Very easy to program. And again, this just kind of allows you to take this standard changemaker hopper kit, or if you have the standard changemaker hopper and validator, you can update to these American changer components, and it becomes a great machine.